This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Today's discussion is the electric vehicle market and the similarity to venture capital. So when venture capital invests in a company, it almost has become the game to grow the company as fast as you can until you hit the wall of growth, till the growth becomes sort of normalized growth. And then at that point, the venture capital fund and the company have to figure out the actual business plan, make it profitable. So you get to the growth plateau you can get to, then you've got regular blocking and tackling growth from there. And you get through a certain level of adoption. And you see this in companies that get to a certain level of growth, and then it becomes sort of the growth slows significantly, and then they cut enough employees and labor and cost to become a profitable company, to get to the next stage when growth is no longer easy. The electric vehicle companies right now remind me very much of a similar type of situation where they've grown to a certain spot. There's been explosive growth, and now that growth is softening. And so what you've got is they got the government subsidies drove a lot of growth. The environmental people drove a lot of growth. And then the early adopters drove a lot of growth. And there's obviously a mix in all those categories. But now that easy growth is over, now they've got to find a pathway to longer-term profitability of being a real company and real blocking and tackling from here. As I watch this play out, it's not bad nor good. They've hit that sort of natural plateau where the easy business is there. And so it's fascinating to watch. The only thing I think is a similar type of point for business people is when you explore new markets, when you first get started in any new market, there's always some easy hits. And you can't mistake that for the expectation that the market will be a huge winner for you until you dig into it a lot deeper. Like you can get into any market and almost always get some early hits, but that doesn't mean it's long-term going to be a huge, massive market for you and your business. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Again, Scott Becker, 773-766-5322. Text anytime. If you're the first person to listen to this in text, feel free. Text me. We'll send you the $100 Amazon gift certificate for listening. You can't be one of the regular people that claims the gift certificate, but thank you so much for listening. Thank you.